Welcome to day 160 of 200 Days of Code. Today we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday. We are going to look at the subscription form, and who better to talk us through it than Leon Andersen. Leon, how are you doing?
Hello. I am pretty excited that I got something working in a very short amount of time. I hope that's because I'm finally understanding what I'm doing. And what I did today was, for once, when I'm pressing the subscribe button, I see it in the footer at each height. So as you can see, it even goes away, and if I scroll up again, it comes again, and it doesn't hover and float somewhere around, which is pretty cool. But also, what I managed, I will insert, of course I will explain how I did this, but also how, like now, if you, I will insert something, and boom, the subscribe moved to exactly, I mean, almost exactly, like a millimeter to the right, to where the subscribe button actually is. So one can just press the subscribe button, enter the email. I will work on the focus tomorrow, and then subscribe. We press subscribe automatically, which will then also close the form tomorrow. Yeah, pretty damn happy about this, because it just took me 5 minutes, because I think I'm starting to get the principles now. Well, what did I have to do to get that? I had to make the button the relative of the subscribe form footer, basically. Unfortunately, the subscribe form is sibling to the button, not a parent. But luckily, just taking the ally that was wrapped around the button worked also well enough, because it's almost the same. It's linked and correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I guess that's solved the problem so far. And yeah, that was a little bit of trying out. At first I tried to copy the form into the button, but then what happened was basically that the button triggered, what was it? Pressing the button has the on click of handle subscribe click, which then opens the subscribe form. But by putting it inside of the button, it was showing all like always showing, because it's like self opening, something like that was happening. Not 100% sure, but yeah. I'm seeing an error. No such file or directory. Webpack. Not having anything to do with that. Okay, but that was probably the error from trying to subscribe. Am I getting it again? No. I don't know. Who cares? I mean, no one cares yet. We will see. Yeah, that was this. And then, as you can see, there is still an issue that this is not centered. This is, I mean, let's see, first of all, if I can get the right movement. I have to probably take a smaller amount here. So let's look up what steps are actually available, because we can't just go 13 as far as I know. Minus, right? Z index? No, that's not the Z index. Top, this is probably it. Show all classes. Ba-doom, ba-doom. Let's see what numbers are available. 14, and then the one below is 12. So let's check that out. Ba-doom. This is probably, yeah, this is, I probably have to make a custom one. I'm going to make that tomorrow. But until then, 14 is close enough, I would say. It's like a millimeter only. So, and also because it's a bit lower. So what I tried, what you can see here so far, but yeah, as I said, I just worked on this 5 minutes, was item center and justify center. And also I had grow in here for some reason. I don't know. I don't remember why, but I deleted it and nothing changed. So we can keep it deleted.
The reason is because flex and absolute both set the position. Oh no. Do they? No, they don't. Never mind.
For some reason, item center and justify center doesn't work. One could think maybe the bottom 0 is it, but the thing is, if I delete that, this is happening, which is nothing. Well, something. It's just hidden. It's for some reason it's spawning below and not on top of it, which is quite weird to me. Probably because wait. Well, let me think. Why is it below? I mean, it's inside of the ally. Did I close it? Damn, I closed it. Let's open it again. Footer. It's inside of the ally footer. The footer ally. But why is it then below the footer itself? Maybe because the maximum width is already achieved. Maybe inspecting it, or do we have Evan? Whoa, that was not what I wanted. Here, F12. I pressed F12 in VS Code. Yeah, probably this div is just too small, and then this one is overflowing. Is there something to make overflowing go away?
I think so. You have to look up in Tailwind CSS. You're muted.
But then it would probably just hide the overflow instead of putting it on top. I mean, if it's absolute, maybe not.
You can try bottom 1 or minus bottom 1, because bottom 0 had it at the bottom, so that it was not in the middle. But maybe you can tweak it a little bit and get it to be in the middle that way.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, it's absolute, so it doesn't adhere to the flex probably.
Yeah.
So can I get rid of flex altogether? Maybe no, I can't
Just
because
the bottom zero. And then
inside I probably can't get rid of flex anyway because inside of this component we need flex. So
yes.
let's just go with bottom. Much like you probably have to make a custom one.
You can do 0.5.
Almost. How do I get? I mean, it's very close. I guess for a it's not close enough for the excellence that I'm striving for. I probably make a custom component for or custom size for that. What worries me though is the height of this one, because I would love this to be the exact height of the footer. Maybe I can give it a full height, but I think I already gave it full height. Return form. No, I did not give it full height yet, did I? A full will maybe break it. Grow maybe. Oh. Whoa.
Wouldn't the form need to be the full height? Because the input might be already the full height of the form.
That's a good idea. Double minus. Just kidding. No.
Now you just need to move it down again.
Oh yeah.
From the bottom 0.5.
What's going on? It's not. I want it to be like here, up here, where it goes exactly to the border, and yeah, I can't close it now, but
You can check via the inspector if the input has a border.
I'm 100% sure it doesn't, but I'm only 90% sure. So yeah, because I basically outline none. Yeah, because I basically just copied from here.
So the input has a height of 20. What is the height of the footer?
24.
Okay, so it's missing to make sure, but we know what the problem is.
Well, why doesn't it fill up on its own? Flex, the footer is the parent. Maybe the ally needs to be half H4 or the flex grow. It's already maybe this one needs H4. Let's try it out. No, nothing happens. It's already. Why is it flex grow? Is this prettier? Making it. Be sure I called it grow. Oh, okay. Anyway, grow doesn't do it. H4. I mean, I could manually make it bigger, but to me it feels.
You can just give the input H6.
But wouldn't that be cheating? I mean, pretty dope. But isn't that cheating? Or like I mean, it's. What's up with the subscribe and imprint here anyways? Why aren't they like centered? properly. Footer, flags to the item center should be.
No, you're centering the thing in which the UL is. The UL does not have item center.
Got it. I thought, so this is not inherited then.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if that changed anything. No, it didn't. Oh, that's wrong. Maybe justify center as well. I have no idea what justify center does, but I've seen it in conjunction.
We will try to give the LI flags and item center.
Individually.
Sure.
Maybe I get rid of the H full before. Or the H6 because it's absolute, so it doesn't. It's not bound by anything, maybe. But maybe it's bound. No. Let's just try the allies first, and then if that doesn't work.
It needs flags too, otherwise it doesn't work.
Oh yeah, this is dope. I mean, I didn't know that I would have to do this for all sub items as well.
I think the link around the H1 needs it too.
This looks pretty centered though, but why not? Was there any change?
No idea.
No, there was no change, but the size of the ally of the footer went down for sure. I mean, if it doesn't make a change, then better just leave it out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what happens now? Now this is oversized, but it's like height-wise, it's almost perfect. I mean, height-wise, it is perfect. The subscribed form itself, I mean. Okay. Moment of truth. Damn. This is pretty fucking dope, except for the 0.5 millimeter to the right. Maybe the point. Maybe I can do a point something. Right, 14. Damn it, I can't do. I have to do a custom one on this one. But damn, this is sleek. Love it. Don't love this stuff, but LFG. Yeah, I think that's a good place to start working on from tomorrow. Yeah.
Miles, thank you everyone for watching. Tune in tomorrow to see the next steps, adding the logic, adding the focus management. And it's a really important topic because accessibility is very important for any app. So you don't want to miss this. You want to participate in it and you want to watch the call. Thanks if you watch this one, if you're watching the recording, join us live. And this has been day 116 of 200 days of code with
Leon Andersen, who is not very much looking forward to the gym today because he had quite a long day. But and because I only had breakfast yet. But I will do some stretching and some easy stuff. So I'm actually looking forward to it. Today, 16 of 100 Days of Gym, and my name is Leon, and my mentor is
Alice Neil from 10 Eager Bevel. Thank you everyone for watching, and I see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.
bye bye until tomorrow. Always be something again.